Welcome to our channel. Netgear WGXB102 Wireless Range Extender Setup. Plug in the extender. Plug the extender unit into a wall outlet where you want more coverage. Don't think about placement yet. Just get power going. Connect the bridge. The bridge is that little box with an Ethernet port. Plug that into your router with an Ethernet cable. Then plug the bridge into the wall. Wait for the lights. You should see the power line or link lights start doing their thing. If they're just dead, move them closer together first. These things are finicky about wiring in the house. Reset if needed. If you bought it secondhand or it's been sitting around forever, just press the reset button, paperclip style, on both units. Start fresh. Pair them. There's usually a security/pair button on both. Hit it on the bridge, then the extender. They'll sync over power line. Wait until the lights settle, solid, not blinking like crazy. Connect to the extender's Wi-Fi. The extender will broadcast its own SSID, something like Netgear or Netgear_EXT. Hop on that with your laptop/phone. Go to the setup page, open a browser and type http://192.168.0.101, or sometimes 192.168.0.102 depending on firmware. If that doesn't load, check your DHCP leases on the router to find its IP. Log in. Default login is usually admin/password unless someone changed it. Old school Netgear stuff. Configure SSID security. Set the extender to either clone your main Wi-Fi SSID for seamless roaming, or make a new one, like myWiFi_EXT. Add WPA/WPA2 security so it's not open. Reboot test. Save settings, let it reboot. Move your laptop/phone to the weak spot area of your house, connect to the extender Wi-Fi, and check speed/connection. If it sucks, move the extender closer to the router and repeat. Thank you for watching.